My name is Emanuele Örtendal and I am 22 years old and I've been racing for about 10 years, so it's like my half of my life. So it's been really long, and I started because my dad was into it and he's been racing since the 80s, so it's really a family thing, like it usually is. So yeah, I love the sport, I love the speed, and it's just all of the friends and meeting new people and traveling. It's just the whole concept is something that's really appealing me. So yeah, we wanted to come here to a nice race and with good weather, and so we were on a round trip right now. So we have been to a race before and we will continue for a whole month. So this is the perfect stop to do in between, and it's a really nice race and we really like it here, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
My name is Sofie Borgström. I'm 21 years old and I'm from Sweden. I started racing when I was 9, and then I've been racing all the time since then, so kind of all my life. My dad raced, and also my grandpa raced powerboats. So then my dad raced powerboats, but then he changed to jet skiing. The track is really competitive, and it's like the splits are even, the starts are even, so the race is really good. I won the ladies class.
Yes, and I'm second.
And I'm third.
And I'm fourth.
Yeah.
My name is Jonna Borgström. I'm from Sweden and I'm 23 years old. I've been racing for the past 12 years, and I started because my dad used to race as well. Next stop is Hungary next weekend for the European Championship.
My name is Janina Johansson and I'm from Sweden. I started racing 7 years ago because my dad was racing. So now me, my dad and my brother is racing all around, and yeah.
Hi, my name is Daniel Anderson. I come from Bergen, Norway. I've been racing for 10 years now. I'm 23 years this year. I got into the sport via my uncle. I was watching him. I really wanted to do the race. I tried it. It was like really cold in March sometime, freezing. Said, no way, not gonna do it. But I tried it and I tried it again. I tried it again and now I'm here. It was a really fun race. We wanted to go here because it was in between the European Championships. So it was a really good, like, let's say a training weekend, because you will never get this kind of training on your own. Racing is something different. You will only get racing experience from racing. So this was a great weekend overall. Here I won this weekend, so obviously can't complain about that. After Hungary next weekend, I will also go to Eurofinals in Poland and fight the big boys there. So that will be fun.
Odlično su organizirane utrke i to je skup utrke na koji dolazi gotovo svi vozači bolji iz Europe, tako da je odlična konkurencija i borba i evo utrke u Zagrebu je jedna od najboljih utrki, naravno tu mi je domaći teren i moram biti tu. Pa staza je odlična, znači stvarno na svjetskom nivou. Odaziv vozača je također dobar, došlo je puno dobrih vozača svjetskih prvaka, tako da su i utrke zanimljive i atraktivne i evo, nemam loše riječi za utrku. Pa zadnji rezultat bio je sada 4. mjesto na prvenstvu Europe u Poljskoj prošli vikend i evo, ovo je priprema za sljedeći vikend kad je druga utrka Europskog prvenstva u Mađarskoj.
My name is Robin Efroch. I'm from Belgium and I start jet ski when I have 12 years old. I'm multiple Belgium champion, Netherlands champion, and it's enough for the moment. I win in Renabo GP1 and Renabo GP2 with the Casa jet ski, and this is a good training for me to prepare the next race in Poland. The difficulty, this is the big jet ski with a lot of horsepower, and to take jet ski is difficult. The crew and the racetrack is perfect. This is a good weekend for everybody.
Well, I came to this race this weekend. After last weekend we were in the European Championship in Poland, in Elk. It's great to be here between the next European Championship in Hungary. It's perfect for training. You have really European champion riders here. It's a high-level race, and congrats to the organizers. It worked very well. The weather, as you can see, perfect. I'm here now the third time, I think, and it really improved. I have expected that you make it good, but I have to say you make it really perfect. The team is working quite well, and from my side, special thanks also to the rescues on the water. They do a good job. As you know, I had a small accident yesterday and everything worked fine. My standing right now is in the European Championship. I had the first two motors were quite well, and the third motor I missed the buoy, and so I got a penalty. So not so good, but looking forward positive to the next race. And here I had two very good motos. I finished 2 times on first position. Yesterday I had an accident, fell off, but nothing happened. Thanks once again to the rescues. They did a great job, and hopefully it will be a podium. I don't know which place exactly.
In Croazia dall'Italia perché è una bellissima gara, è una bellissima location. Sono venuto con il mio amico Severin, che siamo appena tornati da Jet Ride e abbiamo fatto il terzo posto assoluto in GP2. Siamo venuti in Italia, in Croazia, perché trovo che la gara in Croazia sia molto bella, soprattutto la location. Ci sono molti altri piloti competitivi da potermi confrontare, in Italia, cosa che in Italia non riesco a trovare ultimamente.